So this pen trick can be done in two different ways. The first and foremost is the godly technique with which you can do this anytime and anywhere. And this one is too good to give away on YouTube, so for the time being it is going to be available on my Patreon. Link in description! However, there is another technique of doing this trick, which is commonly known as the black art, which is good for stage performances and making short cool videos for social media. And to do this effect, there are few things that you are going to need. First of all is a black thread, which is going to be the heart of this trick. Second is a black cloth, with which you can cover the table surface. And third is to wear a solid black shirt. Wait, what? Perfect! Using all of this, we are going to be applying the black art principle, where we blend the color black to camouflage it with other black surrounding colors and make it look invisible. And we choose black as it does not reflect light and can easily be hidden in the shadows. You can't see me! But again, too much light can give everything away. Now once you understand this black art effect, you can do this pen trick very easily. Firstly, we are gonna be using a pen which is light and bright in color to create a good contrast from black. Now, there are various types of pen, and depending on the type of pen you are using, attach one end of the black thread to either the cap or the back of the pen and lay the pen down with the thread side facing you. The thread then goes up and goes around any kind of support available at the location, and it comes back down behind the table, where we basically tie another pen cap to it. If there is no support available, just create one by tying another black thread across the room. Now you can use anything for writing. Personally, I like this small notebook, and you will know why at the end of the explanation. So I basically open it to a clean page and give the spectators a peek of it before making it stand on any kind of support. I use playing card boxes, which is absolutely normal to have in a magic show, and support the notebook from the back and the front. Now carefully handle the pen, making sure that the black thread is always behind everything, perfectly camouflaged throughout the trick. Then place the pen tip near the writing area on top of the front support and immediately pull down the pen cap under the table. That lifts the back of the pen, making it look like that the pen is moving on its own. So keep pulling and releasing the cap with your left hand, just like a pulley system without the pulley. And the movement of the pen will imitate the action of a writing pen. And since the black thread stays camouflaged, it looks like that the pen is moving all by itself. And since the spectators are always going to be on the opposite side, their brains will trick them to think that the pen is writing something just by its movements. It's basically the science of visual interpretation. Now you might ask, then how does the writing appear on the clean page? Well, it is done using sleight of hand, where this small notebook comes to play. So basically before starting the trick, I write whatever message I want to show on one page and turn the previous page over on top of it. Then on the other side, I fold the top corner of the page, which makes it easy to open to that empty page instantly from the closed position. Now using this method, I show the blank page to the spectators and then move on to the visual pen trick, where the pen moves on its own. After that, I loosen the thread and move the pen away from the notebook back to where it was near me. After that, with my right hand thumb, I push the top right side of the page and put the index finger in the gap. And this happens while I'm moving away the front support with my other hand. And then with my right hand alone, I pick up the notebook and flip it in the anti-clockwise direction, right under my hand. And that action automatically turns to the pre-written page and the spectators see the writing to get amazed. And that's how, using science and sleight of hand, this trick can be done using the black art.